Dear Dr. Schulze, my hubby has had a prostate cancer treatment and surgery several times, the last being for bleeding from taking baby aspirin. And now he cannot pee at all, and they stuck him with a catheter 4 times, and I fear it will do nothing to him except meds, more meds to shrink the prostate, and I prefer your natural formulas, as I've used your kidney and bladder flush on him when the last surgery meds stopped his kidneys. And he came out of that fine and had in-home therapy for many months to walk again. Now this blockage or whatever has caused this condition and no one has even examined him at all, just poking catheters in him. And how long does it take for your prostate formula to start shrinking the prostate so he can pee again? Days, weeks, what? Please help. We are very limited in our money and have to budget very carefully. Still have your recipe for organic juice, and we'll give veggies for that tomorrow. Okay, use the prostate formula. How long will it take? How do I know? I have zero idea. People used to ask me that in the clinic every day. How long will it take to work? How long before my tumor dissolves and goes away? How long does it take to get the stones out of my gallbladder, out of my kidney? I have no idea. Do I look like a psychic or a stockbroker or a weatherman? I don't forecast bullshit. Okay, that's the bottom line here. So use it, and then you tell me. You write in and tell me how long it took. But get on it. Get your husband on it right away. Okay, it works fast. Vegan, why am I suggesting a vegan for your husband? Because animal food, all animal food, even dairy products, contain growth hormones. And those hormones that are growth hormones make the cows produce more milk, make the beef cows bigger and fatter. And those growth hormones, when they get in your husband's body, make his prostate grow. In women, they make the breasts grow tumors. And this is why so many men have prostate tumors and so many women have breast cancers. The number one cancer in women, the number one cancer in men. We got to get away from the animal foods. And even if you say, well, I eat the beef that comes from the health food store where the cows are allowed to meditate for 10 minutes before they shoot a bolt through their head or whatever. They're not having hormones at all. They still have the natural hormones of a cow, which are designed to make it grow from 0 pounds to 2,000 pounds in a year. And imagine just what those hormones are doing alone in your husband's body when he has a prostate problem. They're making it grow. It's growth. It's the cause of benign prostate hyperplasia. It's the cause of BPH. Okay, so no healthy beef, no hormone-loaded beef, no beef. Okay, no animal food, even dairy products. They're using tons of hormones and growth hormones in the dairy industry to get the cows to produce more milk. And I know you're out of money, but when I was out of money and I needed to get well, and I was a lot sicker than your husband, I sold everything. TVs, drapes, cars, whatever. I'd rather live in a room with no rug on the floor and have 1 blanket and 1 spoon and 1 bowl and all the herbs and all the healthy foods that I need to be well than have all that stuff around me. So I know what it's like. I know what I'm asking, but sell your last item to be healthy, because when your health is gone, you can't buy it back.